we're in Cave Creek, Arizona, and it's like a little frontier town
Where your dad and his girlfriend met.
where my dad and his girlfriend met.
Not here, but a bar in Cave Creek.
Yeah, and I want to get this cowboy. We should walk through here, Becky.
Well, let's go here before they close.
Oh, okay. Where's the... Frontier town. Okay. This. I can't see it very well to see. Okay, now I can. I had to get used to the.
Yep.
Let's get this stuff. Oh, look at this horse thing. Look at that, isn't that cool? This is so hard to see. The sun is just in the wrong spot to see it very good. Oh, here, Becky. Those that. Yeah, we got to get my head in one of those. You got to get me with my head sticking out of one of those. And then he'll get one with both of us in this thing. Hi, Debbie.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
Hi, Debbie.
Oh my gosh, I grew.
Oh, there's some more horses over here. Oops, sorry. Happy Hogan. Well, it has the bulls over there too. Look at these.
This is the metal replica of
Are those ones?
Tortilla.
I want to get these horses. This is the outhouse. Original flesh or jig for water under outhouse, 1936. The old street.
Oh, here comes Mike.
Okay. You got to hold this and get me and Becky in there.
Which do you want to be?
I'll be the tall one.
Okay.
Whoa, hey, you look just like my friend Justin.
Hi.
Got it?
Got
Gonna
it.
get you and Becky?
No.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
you have hands in your face?
Yes, I do. Hi.
Go ahead.
Oh, I gotta get the cemetery. I didn't get the cemetery. I didn't see the cemetery. There's Mike.
Got to go in that place.
Okay, let's do that. I gotta let me get this. That's so cool.
No, you want to see what the hottest sauce is
So,
in there?
are we going in here first?
You got the one with in the coffee.
Here.
I know, I want to get these. Has these little boots and stuff.
You gotta get this. This is a good one too. If you don't like the food,
Don't
have
make me
more-
poison your food. I like that one.
This one is if you don't like the food, have more wine.
And I like real men rub their meat.
Real men rub their meat.
Duct tape is to men as wine is to women. It fixes everything. It's all fun and games until the wine runs out.
Keep your balls clean and your putter covered
That's for.
for golfers.
Well, here's a taco stand. Debbie. Free tacos.
Oh yeah, huh?
And they have all these different flavors of oils and they have seasonings for cooking. If there's any seasonings you want, you can get them here.
Oh no. I want. Is this where the cactus candy is?
No, well, they probably have some here too. Yeah, but the one I was talking about was the cactus taffy, which
Oh.
is in another store. It's really good. And the cactus candy's good too. They have several.
No, these bowls are really pretty.
I fear no hot sauce. That's a good song for you. Oh, this is good. It's an apron, Debbie. And it says,
Did you look
"Why
underneath this, Becky?"
disappear? What's your superpower?
Did you look here underneath this? No, shit, this is hot. The hottest.
That's cute. Complaints to the cook can
Oh,
be
Bloody Mary
hazardous
mix.
to your health.
Bloody Mary mix.
Mm.
It looks warm, I think.
Ghost pepper's gonna be hot.
Oh, what's this one? This is zesty. Day of the Dead tells.
Wind me up and watch me go. Too many wines spoil the cook. Are you closing up?
Getting ready to. I'm just starting to bring stuff in because it takes a while.
Okay, let's get you the other shot
Okay.
before they close up. You see this?
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you.
Guys, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
I like that. Princess parking only. All others will be towed.
Oh, they do palm reading in here. They do palm and card reading.
You want to see? Can you do that? I want to get you this one.
No, that's too much. I'm not going to pay that for that.
I want to get you this one shot real quick. So I wanted to get you some of that cactus taffy.
I want to get these towels over here. What's this over here?
And we can do all that because after the shop's closed.
That's still open?
Okay, the Indian's over here.
What's this
This is
shop?
where I got my lotion. I want to get
Okay.
a different scent, but I'll come back. They're still open.
Oops, I don't think that lady liked it when you said that. The other cactus candy.
Which is in this shop. And there's the Indian right there.
Uh-huh. I think, well, how much is this here? Same price as it was over there. Oh, this is only $5.99. This one.
I kind of wanted to try this too.
I'm
Prickly
trying to
pear
see.
licorice.
Oh, they got prickly pear jelly beans.
I'm gonna get this to try.
Okay, I'm gonna get. Thinking about. I'm gonna get this one, I think.
Okay. I'll have to wait until the next time we come, and then I'll get one and send it to Mary.
What's this? Oh, margarita taffy. They have all the. What's the name of this shop? Oops.
I don't know. We'd have to go back out and look.
Is that prickly pear popcorn? Oh wait, what's this? Prickly pear candy. I might just get the smaller one to try.
There you go.
It's only $3.69 for that. Wait. Oh shoot, I don't know which one to get, Becky. I might like it. What if I want more?
That's true.
No.
Yeah, there's
I'm gonna get this one.
badges right here in case you find your name. They, what's here? There's a cashier at Circle K. You have to get that. And then look, there's name.
I have shot glasses with everybody's names on them.
Yeah.
And it's so crowded, I'm afraid to move too much. What is this?
It's got my gold. I actually bought mine. Yeah. I thought they had like old-fashioned ice cream. If you want a water and you want some.
Oh, look at these on the cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna get ice cream because I want one. Red shot. Red shot. Yeah, and it says right there. It's over there.
Cute little pigs.
What?
Well, these are cute.
Aren't they? I like roadrunners, but they are really mean killers.
That's what you were saying. Oh, look at these wood.
They take whatever they're killing to eat and they smash their heads on a rock
That's what you were saying.
over and over again until they kill them. They're really vicious killers, but they're really cute.
Come on, Anthony.
Oh, that's pretty.
See you, girl.
Mm-hmm.
When you come back.
Oh. Let's see. Look at these crystals. Those are nice.
Mm-hmm. Look at that one. Look at the coloration on that one.
Mm-hmm. And this town is called what again?
Cave Creek.
Cave Creek. If you guys are in here, ever come here, you need to stop in this shop. Got all kinds of stuff.
That's for more that comes here.
Oh, that one's cute.